Welcome to the official Int4 Spotlight, where we are highlighting the most important and exciting new features of Int4 Suite. My name is Michał Kowalczewski. As an Int4 CTO, it is my pleasure to introduce our latest release, which brings on quite big technological changes. And with detailed descriptions of these new features, please welcome members of Int4 Customer Success team.
Hi, I'm Mateusz Nowak and I'm an Int4 Suite architect at Int4. Today, I'd like to highlight an exciting new feature, the Business Process Flow View. This feature transforms complex business processes into clear visual diagrams that anyone can understand at a glance. While Int4 has long offered powerful multi-step testing capabilities, this new view makes the results and dependencies between test cases significantly easier to understand. At a glance, you can visualize the entire business process flow. Need more information? Simply click to see the complete details of that step and access the tested documents directly. Business users can finally navigate from big picture to granular details in a way that is easier than ever before and is unlike anything you've ever seen in other SAP testing tools. Personally, I'm super excited about this because this is not just a pretty diagram. This business process flow view completely transforms how your team understands and interacts with complex business processes testing, which solidifies Int4 Suite as a first choice for SAP customers with complex supply chains.
Hi, my name is Michał Ronka and I'm Design Authority at Int4 Product Team. Today, I'm very excited to share with you one of the use cases for our brand new Aster scripting language. With all the freedom and possibilities that Aster is unlocking, we can reimagine some of the testing approaches. We were thinking if we can support validations based more on a calculation rather than payload comparison. That led us to the thinking that we need to have an engine that will handle multiple mathematical, text and logical expressions. So now I can say yes if you ask me if Int4 Suite can check how many messages are processed by the queue, post 50 new messages to that queue, and run a test that will tell me if at least 50 messages were processed. We can do the same, for example, with sales orders or finance postings. Check how many are there in the system, post some new ones, and check how much more API returns right now. If it's matching what I've sent, the test is passed. If it's lower, I'm failing it. You can also run validations that will check sum, count the lines, check if a given value is in a message, and many, many more. We are opening a new chapter of creativity for our customers with Aster.
Hi, I'm Michał Ibrom and I work as an Int4 Suite architect. You've already heard about our new scripting language called Aster. It's a powerful tool with many use cases like payload processing, complex validations, or test case analysis. But one area where it really stands out is the variable manipulation. In the past, you might have struggled with complex operations within Int4 automation objects. Maybe you needed multiple variables or just couldn't get the results you wanted within a single one. With Aster, that's no longer a problem. Think of a typical SAP business document containing headers and line item sections, like for instance invoice. The header amounts are usually a sum of all the amounts of line items. With Aster, you can dynamically calculate the header values based on the line item amounts, dynamically using a script, multiple variables, and saving the variable values along the way. This is just a simple example, but we hope it opens the door for new testing possibilities using Int4 Suite, especially for scenarios that involve complex variable manipulation. Happy testing!
This and many more new features are already available for Int4 customers. So if you are a current Int4 customer, make sure to contact your designated Int4 Suite customer success representative to see how you can take advantage of these new Int4 Suite possibilities. Thank you for watching.